Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this new watch from Casio AE1600. And if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, let's make sure we are in the timekeeping mode. It should look like this: day, month, date, and then hour, minute, and second. But if not, then you can press the mode button several times until you get the high-pitched beeping sound, or you can also press and hold the mode button until one beep and then you get to the timekeeping mode like this. Okay, next we can change the time format, 12-hour format or 24-hour format. So this one is 24, and you can press this one, the lower right button, and now it's the 12-hour format, 3 p.m. Okay, you can use whichever you want, but I will set as 24-hour format. Okay, next let's set the time, date, and to do that, press this one, the top left button, and hold like this until the second is flashing or blinking. And now let's start by resetting the second. You can press this one, the start button on the lower right, to reset the second. If the second is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute like this. But if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute like this. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the hour. For this one, you can use the start button to increase the number, but unfortunately there's no way to reduce the number, so just press the start button until you get to the number that you want. You can press and hold to speed up the process, and yes, I will set back to 15. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the minute. Also the same thing, use the lower right button to increase the number, and if you want to speed up the process, you can press and hold. And let me set back to 54, so let me press and hold until 52 or something, and then press one by one, so I get 54 now. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now we are setting the year. For this one, you can also use this one, the start button, to increase the number. And if it's already passing the year that you want, then just press and hold until 2099, and it will cycle back to 2000 like this. Okay, and let me set to 2025. Okay, and now press the mode button, lower left, and now we are setting the month. Also the same thing, use this lower right button to change the number. So let me set to 3, okay, and then press again the mode button, and now is the date. Also the same method, press this one, the lower right button, to increase the number. So let me set back to 10 with minute. Okay, and then if you press again the mode button, it will return to the setting of the second. And if you're done with the settings for the time and also the date, you can press the adjust button and done. We have set the basic settings for this watch, Casio AE1600. I will also make the more detailed tutorials, so don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.